Good morning, children. Children, chapter number 5, Life of People in the Northern Plain. This chapter is going on. So, in the Northern Plains, states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, National Capital Territory of Delhi. So these are the state students which we are discussing. So students, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, we have discussed. So now today is the turn of West Bengal. So today we will study about West Bengal. So students, the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. What is the capital of West Bengal? The West Bengal capital is Kolkata and it lies in northern plain. West Bengal lies in the northern plains. And students, what are the main occupation here? The main occupation of people in West Bengal are farming and fishing. Farming and fishing are the main occupation here. And now, what are the main crops here? So, students, rice, jute. Rice and jute are the main crops here, and tea is also grown here. As Darjeeling is famous for tea, so tea is also grown here. And people speak here Bangla. People speak here Bangla, and Durga Puja is the main festival which people celebrate here. You can see in this picture, student, Durga Puja is going on here. So Durga Puja is the main festival here. Now let's discuss about industries. Industries. So students, textile, jute, automobile, shipbuilding, oil refining and iron and steel are the main industries here. So these are the main industries which are famous here. And some other industries are also here, student. The industries which are famous here, steel industries in Durgapur. Where is it? It is in Durgapur. Steel industries in Durgapur. Railway engines in Chittaranjan. Railway engines in Chittaranjan. And coal mines in Raniganj. Coal mines in Raniganj. And silk industries in Murshidabad. So these are the other famous industries which are in West Bengal. Now let's discuss about food. So the staple food of Bengalis is rice and fish. Rice and fish is the staple food, famous food which the people want to eat, which they people like most is rice and fish. Bengalis are also very fond of sweets. They are very fond of sweets like Rasgulla and Sandesh. Sandesh is a sweet. Sandesh is a name of a sweet which is famous in West Bengal. Which is famous in West Bengal. So students, which type of dress people wear here? Traditional dress of men in West Bengal is dhoti kurta, while women wear sari blouse. So the traditional dress of men in West Bengal is dhoti kurta and women wear sari blouse here. So let's discuss about tourist places which are here. And what I told about festival, which festival is most important and popular here? Yes, ye Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is the most popular festival in West Bengal. Now let's start discussion on tourist places. So Haw Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Fort William, Belur Math and Dakshineshwar Temple and Shanti Niketan are the tourist spots of West Bengal. So these are the main tourist places which are famous in West Bengal. And tea, as we have discussed, tea gardens at Darjeeling are also famous tourist attraction. So in Darjeeling, the tea gardens are also famous. Tourists came and to see these gardens there. And Brahmaputra Basin, the state of Assam and Tripura lie in the Brahmaputra basin. That Assam and Tripura state lie in the Brahmaputra basin. So student, about culture, Bengalis are fond of music. They are very fond of music and dance, drama. So they are very fond of music, dance, drama and fine arts. So now we have discussed about West Bengal. Let's start. Next one is Assam. So student, you can see in this picture also these ladies, they are dancing. So on which dance they are dancing? Which dance is famous in Assam? Can you tell me which festival? Student, Bihu festival is famous in Assam. So the festival Bihu is famous in Assam. So these ladies are performing on the Bihu festival. And in upside picture you can see this is a garden, tea garden, which is famous here also in Assam. Tea is famous, Assam is famous for tea, silk, natural gas and petroleum. It is famous for tea, silk, natural gas and petroleum. And people speak here Assamese. Assamese is a language which people speak here. And capital of Assam is Dispur. What is the capital of Assam? It is Dispur. And which is the largest city here? So Guwahati is the largest city in Assam. Guwahati is the largest city in Assam. And students, Guwahati is largest city in Assam, and Assam, the land of tea garden. We can say that Assam is called the land of tea garden. So now let's start discussion on the occupation. What people do here. So student, the land here is very fertile. Means it is very good for farming. So farming is the main occupation here. People of Assam practice sericulture or rearing of silkworms. You can see in this picture picture of silkworm. So people here in Assam do this rearing of silkworm and they weave beautiful silk sari. I think you have listened this. Silk sari are very famous. So they weave beautiful silk sari, and Tushar saris of Assam are very famous. The Tushar saris of Assam is very much famous here. So next, let's start discussion on the industries. So which are the famous industries here? So students, the main industries of Assam are oil refineries in Digboi, oil refineries, and second one is petrochemical in Namrup. Third one is fertilizer in Namrup. These both petrochemical and fertilizer both in Namrup, and chemical in Guwahati, and also has jute and sugar mills. It means these are the very famous industries which are in where these industries are in Assam. So these are the main industries. Now about costume, the traditional dress of women is mekhla chadar and the man wear dhoti and shirt. In third class also we have read about it. Mekhla chadar is famous for women in Assam and dhoti and shirt is famous for the men. So which dance people perform here which dance? That is folk dance. Folk dance of Assam is Bihu, which that ladies were performing. Now let's discuss about tourist places. So students, the Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary for one honored rhino and the Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, these are the two name of wildlife sanctuaries for tigers, are very popular tourist destination. So a tourist came to see these sanctuary here. And student, one more thing which is very much important and famous here is Kamakhya Mandir, Kamakhya temple. So student, the Kamakhya temple is also famous here, that is in Assam. So this is a very big temple. You can see in this picture, people always come to worship here. So students, now we have discussed about all the states which lies in the northern plains. Now our chapter is completed. Then after that I will send PDF also. In PDF I will send question answer, students. You can note down from there. And thank you. Have a nice day.